Hello, my name is Muhammad Firdaus Maulana, usually called Firdaus. Before I tell you about my experience from the Bangkit program, I want to show you something.
I studied at Polytechnic Elektronika Negeri Surabaya majoring in computer engineering. I am currently in my final year and working on my final project. At the end of semester 7, around December, I intend to apply for an internship at a company, but until now I still have not received a reply from the email application that I submitted. I think that my skills and portfolio are not good enough. Incidentally, that month registration for the Independent Campus or Campus Merdeka program was open, so I tried to expand my knowledge and experience related to the world of work. I found the Bangkit program which is integrated with Merdeka Campus, Campus Merdeka, where I could not join the previous Bangkit program because the campus didn't give me permission. After that, I signed up and after participating in various activities and learning from Bangkit, I gained knowledge and experience that I had not had before. Before the journey started, we got access to 3 matriculation material from decoding, namely memulai dasar pemrograman untuk menjadi pengembang software, belajar dasar Git dengan GitHub, and programming logic 101. This material study what we should do as software developers, the basic of Git for collaboration and portfolios, and the basic of programming logic. Because I choose the cloud computing path, I use 3 learning platforms to learn materials about cloud computing. There is Decoding, Google Cloud Skill Boost, and Coursera. At Decoding, I learned the basic of creating a backend using JavaScript and the basic of creating a simple web using HTML. By learning that, I can create a simple website and get 5 stars on the final submission. Not only that, but I also learned JavaScript and built a simple backend using Node.js with the Happy platform and got 5 stars on the final submission. Next up is my journey on Google Cloud Skill Boost. On this platform, I learned a lot about the Google Cloud platform and the various jobs that can be done on it. At the beginning of the lesson, we were given 600 credits by the Bangkit team to be able to study the materials on the platform and complete various materials and quests targeted by Bangkit. From this platform, I have earned 4 Google Cloud Computing Foundation page and 17 quick class quiz page. Not only Google Cloud Skill Boost, Bangkit also provides materials on Coursera to deepen knowledge related to Google Cloud Platform and the work that can be done at GCP. Here I can clearly learn what the features of GCP are and can prepare myself for the adventures of an associate cloud engineer. I obtained a graduate certificate from Coursera and Google Cloud Training for each of the materials. Bangkit also provides direct learning with instructor from practitioner and expert. This session is called Instructor-Led Training or ILT, and this session is divided into 2 sessions, namely ILT Soft Skill and ILT CC or Cloud Computing according to the learning path. From ILT Soft Skill, I learned material related to time management, professional branding and interview, critical thinking, adaptability and idea generation and MVP planning. Meanwhile, ILTCC clarified what I learned from independent learning with expert, so that when there was confusion, I could directly ask the expert. And there are many other sessions such as English session, which learn about conveying something using English, and the guest speaker session, which invites experts from outside Bangkit to share knowledge. The current journey is project-based learning or capstone project. Here I choose product-based because I want to develop my own ideas, and my team has 2 from CC or Cloud Computing, 2 from MD or Mobile Development, and 2 from ML or Machine Learning. In this project, we share the task of making product according to the learning path that we take. Our project is called Tandur. Recommend the best plan based on geospatial condition. We use various platforms to communicate with each other such as WhatsApp group, Google Meet, Trello, and GitHub.
That's all I can say about my journey. Failure is not everything. It could be the beginning of us to be even better. Never hesitate to turn over a new leaf because God's will never wrong or bad. Always grateful every time and see you next time.